And congratulations, you have built a functional movie matcher in Go, and along the way you have learned variables, structs, and slices, map, functions, interface, pointers, and from here you can build advanced projects like CLIs, web servers, and much more. So take a moment and congratulate yourself. Seriously, you have earned it. We have just completed the Movie Matcher project, a fully featured, flexible, and testable Go application. Actually, we will integrate this in the next section, and you should be proud because it wasn't just writing code, you were building software like a real developer. Let's take a quick moment and congratulate yourself. And in the next lecture, or the next section, now that you got the fundamentals and applied them in a real project, you are ready to explore deeper and broader topic in Go. That's it for this lecture. Let's take a quick break and come back in the next one.